Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check recently unfollowed accounts on Instagram. If you want to find out who you just unfollowed, follow these simple steps. First things first, open up your Instagram app. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Your Activity. In the Your Activity section, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Download Your Information. This will take you to a new screen. Here, you'll want to click on Download or Transfer Information. Choose your Instagram account if prompted, and then click Next. Now you need to select the information you want to download. Tap on Some of Your Information, and then scroll down to find Followers and Following under the Connections section. Check this option and then hit Next. For the download type, choose Download to Device and click Next. You'll be prompted to select a date range. Choose All Time to get the most comprehensive list. After that, click Save and then Create File. It will take a few minutes for Instagram to prepare your file, usually about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your file is ready, you'll receive an email from Instagram notifying you that the download is available. Go back to the Download Your Information section in your Instagram settings, and you should see the file ready to download. Tap on it. You'll be redirected to your browser to download the file. Click Download to start the process. Once the file is downloaded, open the Files app on your iPhone or Android device. Find the zip file and tap on it to unzip it. Open the unzipped folder and then look for a file named Connections. Inside that folder, you will find Followers and Following. Open this file to view your list of recently unfollowed accounts. You should now see who you've unfollowed recently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.